Hello there. As I said in my last model railway video, I said I'm going to change my layout, so let's do this. First of all, I'm going to get rid of all the scenery, like all the poles, the stations, the huts, the signals, things like that. That's all the buildings, the telegraph poles, the buffers gone. Now next thing to go are the locomotives and the rolling stock. But which one will go first? Have a guess. Do you think it'd be one of the moving locos? Nope, it was a wooden compound on the siding just before the big crane. What's next? Well, it was a big crane, so what's now? Well, the two carriages of the J50 class and the third loop in, which have gone, 2 carriages. So now what's next? Well, it's half of the load which is the GWR freight was pulling on the outer loop. So what's next? J50's gone, so what's next? The other half of the Great Western Freight. Got 3 locos left, which one can go next? Only 2 left, which one to go next? J15 class, now all left is James, the red engine to go. All the scenery and locos gone, all left to do now, disconnect the controllers and take away the controllers gone, let's start the track. I might need some of these tools, because I did nail not all of it, but parts of my track down. There's the centre loop gone. I've just noticed something, I feel like a bit like Dr. Beeching here. I'll show you this. I suppose this is what it was like when Dr. Beeching took up all that miles of track in the late 60s. You can actually see where the track has been. Around here. It's like evidence where the track has been. I think you can just about see that. Maybe see it a bit more just there. Feeling a bit bad here because this really does start to look like the dismantle of the railway here. A bit more. All what's left is the lonely signals, pair fires and some small nails that I used to nail some of the track down, and a bit of dust or where you can see where the track used to go. Now it's time for the big hoover. Okay, so I've cleared down, vacuumed, now it's for the rebuild. Still don't know what I'm going to do yet. I have to show you my new layout. I haven't put it back together again. I know it's a bit similar as to before, but slightly different. All I've got to do now is fix it all together. Done, one siding done. 2 loops done, 1 loop to go. That's my basic layout. Made a few changes, got a few extra sidings. Now I've got to connect it all up and give it a test. Putting the layout together, and I've connected up to the controllers. Now I'm using the green Great Western Railway 060 freight loco to test it all out. I've got this siding on here. Well, that siding seems to work okay. Siding works, let's test the outer track. Well, that one seems to be okay. Now let's test the middle track. Now let's go forwards. Well, that loop seems to be okay. Let's quickly test the siding. siding seems to be okay. Okay, I've changed the track there slightly. All circuits seem to work. Quickly test this last siding. Well, there you go. My track seems to work. Hopefully I won't get any problems with it. Just got to put all the bits and pieces on it now. Well, I hope you like my new layout. This one's only got 3 loops, even though on that corner it looks like there's 5. So I've got 2 extra sidings and 1 siding over, so I've got 3 sidings altogether, or maybe 4, don't count that one there. Got like a siding, that one was like on the siding with a siding. I'm quite pleased with this one. And that siding there is electrified, so I can have 3 Locos running round and then do something on this little siding here if I wanted to. Maybe I'll do that in a future video, maybe perhaps. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe about passed by, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.